Okay, guys. Whoops, sorry, I got my hand in there. I want to show you something. I want you to pay real close attention to this. Metal, carbon fiber. Well, if the damn light was in a better position. Bulletpoint. I'm telling you, that is for the iPad. That is for my GoPro. That one there, down in that hole, is for my phone. These are for accessories. This is the little GoPro mount. These are little carbon fibers. You mount this in your Jeep. You take this screw out. You take this screw out on your dash. And then you put this up there and you mount these back in. But you mount these on these little slots first. They all fit right on these little slots. They got their own little spot where you can adjust them and everything. I've never seen anything like this as far as quality. Carbon fiber, metal, 20 millimeter balls, carbon fiber little tiny studs. This is quality stuff. I mean, this is metal. This is all metal, and it goes, this is your GoPro mount. Already there. You just mount it on that little ball right here. Put your GoPro, shines right down the front of your Jeep. Bulletpoint. I'm telling you. I am telling you. This Bulletpoint mounting solutions. Damned awesome. Sorry for the cussing, but it's just unreal. Their quality is exceptional. How hard would it be to put in? You take 2 screws out and put 2 screws back in. My wife's going to do it in just a minute as soon as I get all these little accessories mounted onto this thing. Hot dog.